HVAC people!
All right, got a no cooling call. Today is Sunday. Got my helper with me today. My wife was nice enough to ride with me and let me work today too. But we're gonna see if we can get some footage. All right. So this is our first week in about 90-degree weather, and man, I've been busy. Worked sun up to sundown, non-stop. So I did promise the wife when this summer season over with, we're gonna get some. We're gonna take us a nice vacation, though. Babe, we're gonna take us a nice vacation in some pretty blue water. All right, you got that on camera, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, let's see if we can get some footage, though.
Let me open up the garage for you.
Okay.
If that tells you the issue. So the issue we've had is right now the blower is working.
Okay.
There's no cool air.
Okay.
So this happened first like 5 days ago, and the cool air stopped for like 2 hours. And then like 2 days ago, the cool air stopped for like 8 hours.
Oh yeah.
And now the cool air stopped for like 12 hours.
Okay.
So it's getting worse every time the cool air stops. I don't know what that means, but hopefully that gives you a little bit of.
Okay. And so I'm gonna do the diagnostics, and I know you got a warranty company. Are you gonna pay us directly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's hot. So
Yeah. You want to go ahead and get it done and get reimbursed by them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, tell me what you find.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Do you want to go?
I want to go look in the attic first. I remember because we did a heater here one time, right? I think. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, with
I
the
think it was tripping the breaker on the what's called. Yeah. Okay.
So I'll let you up there. I'll open up the garage. The unit is out this way. The entrance is through this gate here. Okay. So let me open up the garage.
All right. And the back gate is open?
The back gate is this way.
Okay.
It's open.
Okay, now let's go around. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do my usual. I don't need to go in the house. I'm going to nice Maserati right there. Maserati. So I'm gonna peek in the attic, but let's just start right here and see. Thank you. Go. So the contractor is calling for it. So we know we don't have a flow switch or anything open up. See the contactor? It's engaged. That means no safety open. If we had a water emergency drain pan switch or something open, it'll kill voltage to your contactor. So he did say it was blowing, but we can start out here. Let's see, we got power first. Yeah, so it's Sunday, so like I said, I got my wife with me. We don't usually work on Sunday, but we're going to a little town called Sugar Land. We just got this call last night, and this is Richmond. So we got 247s on our way to Sugar Land. So, and we know we don't have any low pressure switches open either, because a low pressure switch would be connected to the contactor. And I hear that capacitor, which is a mighty big capacitor. It's a 70 by 7.5. I do got a universal capacitor, but I may have one of those too. So let's check the compressor first. anyway, though, they're willing. It was on our way, and people willing to pay the extra after hours fee. We can make it happen. My wife, she had to watch me. I work all day, every day. Okay, so I got 22 microfarads. That's not going to be enough to start that compressor. And I got 1 for the fan. I'll go to my truck and see if I got a 70.5, 77.5. All right, so unfortunately, I got my fluke with my alligator clamps. This is a 70 by 7.5. I had everything from an 80 by 5 in my truck, or 60, I think, by 5. But anyway, I did find a 60 by 7.5. But I'm gonna combine this with a 10 microfarad capacitor, so that'll give me a 77.5, which this is what it's calling for. So I just got my jumpers on here. I'm just gonna verify that we're getting the right amount of voltage. As you can see on here, see I'm getting 69.7, which is good. And on my fan, I'm getting 7.37, which is good. So like I say, it's on the weekend. If it was a normal business, I probably would just go run and get the correct size to make this cabinet, because I already got a hard start up in here. So we kind of pushing for space, but this worked perfectly. That'll be all we need. So that'll at least get them up and going. Then I noticed when I was taking this other cap off, I can't find the other blue wire enough, but that came disconnected. That's a firewire thermostat. I think it was the white that came out of here. But anyway, it did spark. So I went and turned that furnace off. All right. Which is a good thing, though. A little bit more safer on me. I don't have to worry about blowing anything. Also, I'm gonna get my Sharpie. I probably write 7.5 on the cabinet, so it won't be no confusion for the next technician. So we'll just pretty much hook this up the same way. Then we have fan. And fan's right here. Got a blue wire for the Herm. Should have 2 of the hard start kits. Okay, there we have one there. Yeah. Let's go to the contactor. all's good and snug. Like I say, I think that's the one that fell out. Cut that. So I'm just gonna put this in and verify that it does come on. All right, so it should be good. This one is brittle, so I was looking for the blue little wire nut that fell off. Usually we use red and white, but so I'm sure that's where it is. All right, so I just get something to cut this. All right, so she's been running probably about 15 minutes. Pressure look good. See that good condensation on the line. I'm gonna put a valve cap on here. And she good to go. All right, thanks for watching.